some great recipes in store.
Shelley Loving is a certified culinary nutrition expert who offers fun and engaging virtual cooking events for companies of all sizes.
We need that protein. You don't have to just get protein from meat.
In these virtual events, she puts a positive and uplifting spin on healthy eating.
Ooh, so pretty.
Shelley brings so much joy to cooking that you will be left wanting more.
Cooking is simple, but you can still change up the flavors.
Whether you want to incorporate some healthy eating ideas into your wellness initiatives, or if you're just looking for some new virtual activities to boost the energy for your employees or your teams, Shelley has you covered.
Cutting back on bad foods, upping the anti-inflammatory foods, it's like a perfect storm of living an anti-inflammatory lifestyle.
Shelley is filling her 2021 calendar, so contact her today to book your next virtual event.
What have we here? Ladies and gentlemen, we have homemade almond chocolate chip bars. Look at that, look how pretty. And there you have it, a whole week's worth of snacks and breakfast. You can freeze them, double the recipe. Yay!